Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a Koopa from Mario. So first let's get started with the nose. It's coming down in the middle. We're going to curve this line all the way around and then down on the left-hand side. From the point, we're going to draw a curved diagonal line arching that over and then in. From the point here again, we're going to curve this line all the way around, connecting that on the top and bringing that down on the side. And then starting back on this line, we're just going to continue to curve this line all the way around and in towards the middle. Let's draw the nostrils now. So we're going to start at a point, curving this line out, and then bringing that in at a point again. And then on the left-hand side, we'll replicate that, curving that around and back in. For the right eye in the center, we're going to curve this line up and then back down. And then over on the left-hand side, we're going to arch that back up and then in. On the right, starting on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then on the left-hand side, we're just going to curve this line up and over. On the left of this, we're going to curve this line up and then in. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. We're going to draw in a small circle on the right-hand side. And then moving over on the left-hand side, we'll replicate that again. On the left-hand side, we're just going to curve this line down. And then underneath our eye on the right-hand side, we're just going to draw in a small oval. Now let's move down and draw in our right arm. So coming down, we're going to curve this line around and then in. On the top, we're going to bring this diagonal line out. And then moving in, we'll replicate that, but we're just going to end this so it's on a diagonal there. In the center, we're going to curve this line down and then up. And then for the thumb, we're just going to draw in a sideways letter V. We'll replicate that as we come up. So from the point here, we're going to bring that line up and then in. In the middle again, we're going to bring that line up and then in. And then one last time, we're going to bring that up and then back down, connecting that in the corner. We're going to draw two curved lines that arch down on the side for the bottom of the shell. And then on the top, we're just going to curve this line around. On the inside, we're going to curve this line around and across. And then again, stepping further out, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Let's come down on a diagonal now and draw in our right foot. So we're going to curve this line up and then in. From the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then we're going to bring a curved diagonal line in towards the bottom. From the point here, we're going to arch this line back around and then in. Underneath now, we're going to curve this line around and then in at a point. And then dropping down, we're going to replicate that again. On the top, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. And then from that point, we're going to bring that down towards the bottom. Now from here, we're going to bring that diagonal line up. For the ankle, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Moving underneath, we're going to curve this line up. And then on the top, we're just going to stretch this line up and then down for the top of our leg. Now we're going to continue this line through underneath. So we're just going to curve this line around, connecting that line together, bringing that under. And then stretching across again, we're going to continue to bring this line around and then under. And then to close off the side here, we're just going to curve this line down and in towards the foot. In the center, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then dropping down again one more time, let's replicate that. Let's close off the back of the shell now. So coming down, we're going to extend this line through, curving this line all the way around and then in. For the pattern, we're going to draw in a small triangle on the side and then bring this line diagonally across. Now from here at the point, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides again. And then moving down, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes across. Let's draw the left arm now. So coming down, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines that come out for the left arm. And then underneath, we're going to curve this line down and then up. Let's draw in a sideways letter V. On the top, we're going to bring this up and then back down. In the middle, we're going to bring this up and then down. And then one more time, we're going to bring this up and then back in towards the corner. Let's draw in our leg behind now. So we're going to curve this line around and then up. Let's leave a small gap for the top of the foot. We're going to curve this line around and then down. Moving back up, we're going to curve this line in. And then moving behind that, we're going to continue to curve this line back around and in towards the top. On the bottom now, we're going to curve this line across from left to right. And then from here, we're just going to bring that up on a diagonal. And then on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On the bottom now, let's curve this line around and then in. And then to the side, we're going to curve this line back in on the back. And now for the small tail here, we're just going to curve this line out and then back up. And that is it. That's how you draw Koopa from Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.